Welcome everyone to our 2 months long mixing and mastering course. Starting from setting up your Ableton session to industry standard mixes, we have got you covered. Through this module, we'll explore a diverse range of genres including big room, trap, dubstep, indie, pop ballad, rock, maybe even metal, considering your individual needs. We will also be covering advanced topics like analog coloration, saturation, oversampling, compression, mid-side processing, different type of metering and much more. Our goal is to guide you in achieving the perfect balance between the core elements of your mix, teaching you the techniques to add depth, clarity, fullness, width and loudness to your tracks. We will also be understanding methods used by renowned artists and mixing engineers worldwide, elevating your overall quality of your songs, ensuring they translate well across different platforms. So, let's get started.